This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, nakasisiguro gamot ay laging bago.
Ngayong umaga sa Generation RX. Ano-ano nga ba ang dapat nating malaman tungkol sa fertility? Yan ang ipapaliwanag ng isang eksperto.
Malaking changes, especially sa trabaho ko. Mas brighter yung eyes ko.
Veteran award-winning actor Christopher De Leon at kanyang younger-looking and healthy body sa Trends with Benefits.
My dream is to become a motivational speaker, and I'm working towards that every day.
Tinaguri ang world's ugliest woman, Lizzie Velasquez, ating tunghayan ng kanyang never give up story.
We have the newest laser technology in the country, which is used to treat freckles, lentigo, pigmentation, and melasma.
Copper bromide at Morcell, mga makabagong masying pampaganda, hatid sa inyo ng Skin Medicine Incorporated, ating silipin.
For over 100 years, Whirlpool has proven itself to be the trusted brand for high-quality appliances. So we decided po to complete the product portfolio of Whirlpool by introducing the built-in cooking category.
Ang pagtulong ng United Arab Emirates sa Philippine Red Cross sa mga nasalanta ng Bagyong Pablo sa Davao, ating tunghayan sa Red Cross 143.